How's it, guys and girls? I'm back on the dairy farm again this morning, as you guys can see, and as you can also probably hear from the microphone, the wind is terrible this morning. It's gusting very consistently though, but it's really going to make things interesting. Today I'm going to be back on the H&N Barracuda match 21.14 grain pellets, and I'm going to shoot all the way to that gate right here behind me, where the doves love to go and sit. I'm going to place my camera there, and I'm going to smack them. The range is going to be just over 50 yards, and the reason why I'm sticking to 50 yards or just over 50 yards is because of the wind. I'm just going to waste pellets if I'm trying to shoot way out there today. So hopefully it will still be enjoyable, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay, I've been sitting here for more than 30 minutes now waiting for a dove to show up. So this is the first one, so hopefully I can get this one. Got it. The wind seems like it did die down a little bit, but I was able to smack that one. I will use all those doves as decoys to put them right there by the gate. I did move the GoPro a little bit, so I can get a better angle on that gate. I see my trick is working. There's already 1, 2, 3, 4 doves right by the decoys. The only problem is I moved my GoPro right on top of the gate, so if one goes and sits right on top of the gate, I can get a good angle on the kill shot. But unfortunately now they're sitting on the lower post or right on the ground, so it always goes differently like what you have planned. So let's see, maybe I can go for one on the gate there. Got that one. Might be a headshot. Not 100% sure if it was, but it looked like a headshot the way it fell. It's very difficult to see what the pellet is doing on this close range, and especially with the wind. Another one that came in, unfortunately still not on the post, right on the top of the gate. It flew off now. Let's see. Got that one. Beautiful shot though. It flipped all the way over onto its back, so either neck, spine shot or a head shot. There's a couple sitting very close to me. About 40 yards. I'm going to put it right back onto the 0 mark. Let's see. That was a beautiful shot. Really a nice shot that. The H&N Barracuda match pellets actually work very well, especially on this speed out of my gun. There's another one that came in to sit here. Got that one too. let's see, there's a couple of finches. I know it's house sparrows on the gate. Let's see if I can smack one. Oh, got it. Like to see that shot on the GoPro footage. That was a nice shot. Very, very nice. Nice to see the small ones getting whacked as well. I don't really spend too much time eating the small birds because I don't really eat them. So yeah, damn, these cows are messy things. I quickly want to show you something and share it with you, something that I didn't know. And Francis and Martin that I used to hunt with, if you can remember him, I'll leave a link up here with the video where I shot with the caliber gun cricket all those pigeons. But basically that day I also wanted to place out decoys, and they told me if you place out a decoy, you never face them with their backs towards the wind. So if I take a little bit of the grass that's lying here, I throw it into the air, it's going, if this is my 12 o'clock, it's coming right from the 6 o'clock to the 12 o'clock. So I'll never put the dove facing with its back towards the wind. It will always want to come in and land with its head into the wind. And since I've done that, there's just way more doves and pigeons that come in when I use them as decoys. So it's very interesting, something that I never knew, like I said. So you're never too old to learn something new. I quickly had to make a strategic change to the camera angle there by the GoPro so I can film them on that secondary GoPro. And there's already one sitting there, hiding between the decoys that I've put out there. Let's see. Got it. I think it was a bit too low. Oh no, I got it in the neck. Look at that. Right in the neck. Oops, down. That was the first time I ever shot anything like that. That was right through the neck. I think it ran out of air right there where it fell. I'll go pick it up now, but that was a very interesting shot. Yeah, great to see that for a change. It's something different. There's another one fairly close. "45 yards. So let's take care of this one as well. Right dead center. Great shot. We've got one that's a little bit further than 60 yards, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem. a neck shot or maybe a wing shot, but it's definitely down. Can you believe it? Now there's one sitting right on top of the gate after I have moved that GoPro. Got that one too. I must say, with the wind blowing this strongly, there's definitely a big lull in the dove activity. Normally it's early mornings or late afternoons, but because of all the food around here for the doves and all the birds, it's not really normally a big problem. But today it's just very, very quiet. Got that one as well. He thought he's going to hide from me, and I got it as well. Not 100% sure about the distance. It should be around 60, between 60 and 65 yards around there. So there's not a massive difference in the hold over or the turret adjustment. So that's why you don't really see me adjusting the turrets that much. It's just when they're very close. But other than that, I just keep it dead on them and squeeze the trigger. There's one right in the gate and one on the grass. And go for the one on the grass. Don't know if the GoPro is going to get it, but let's see. Got it. Ooh, there's another one there. Switched that one off very well. Actually, both of them. Beautiful. Two shots right after each other. I know the H&Ns are very hard and we get really nice pass-throughs, but luckily I'm shooting towards the ground. Really, really nice. I waited a while now to see what the doves are doing, and there's another one right by the ones on the grass. Seems like they just don't want to go sit in front of that camera. That one too. Switch that one off completely. That one was right in the neck. Oh, this is beautiful. Sometimes it doesn't really matter if you're shooting at very far distances. It's just about having fun, and I must be honest with you, in this terrible wind I'm still having tons of fun when things go to plan like this. Okay, it looks like we have another one sitting on the grass there. I had to move a bit, the sun is starting to burn me on the back. Smack that one too. Oh, there's another two coming in. Smack that one as well. Working perfectly today. I waited a couple of minutes now to see if that doves on the gate itself will not move, but it seems like they won't. So let me go for it. Got that one. Beautiful shot. We've got another one here by the Decoys, and time to take it out. Sure, that was a nice shot. You could see right in the neck. That was a beautiful shot. Well, that one came to land in the open, and managed to smack him as well. Well, there we go. As you guys can see, it was a pretty successful day with a couple of doves lying around here, even behind the camera and behind the gate. There are still a couple of doves that I need to go pick up, but all in all, I'm very happy the way the gun performed with the H&N Barracuda match, 21.14 grain pellets, and I'll definitely give them a shot again and even try to stretch them out at further ranges to see how they perform. But I must say, I'm very happy the way they performed out in the wind, and as you guys can see, very deadly and very accurate, even at a very low velocity of 818 feet per second. They still got the job done. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and remember to hit that bell notification if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.